ball going out of sight. C is for cat with the curious stare. D is for dragon flying through the air. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for firefly lighting up the land. G is for giraffe reaching up so high. H is for hawk soaring through the sky. Join the alphabet parade. Let's see what letters will be made. Sing and dance, let's all align. The alphabet is oh so fine. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly beans, colorful delight. K is for kangaroo, jumping all around. L is for lion with the mighty sound. M is for milkshake, creamy and fun. N is for nest when the day is done. O is for octopus, waving 8 arms. P is for peacock, showing off its charms. Now you know